Go Kids Asia Academy! I am Teacher Pam, and together with me, we will learn today. But before that, let's sing and dance.
When we take away an amount from another, we call it subtraction. We call it subtraction. We have the minuend and the subtrahend, and the result is called difference. When we take away an amount from another, we call it subtraction. We call it subtraction. We have the minuend and the subtrahend, and the result is called difference. When we take away an amount from another, we call it subtraction. We call it subtraction. We have the minuend and the subtrahend, and the result is called difference. When we take away an amount from another, we call it subtraction. We call it subtraction. We have the minuend and the subtrahend, and the result is called difference.
As we start our lesson today, I will teach you a chant about the 5 monkeys. Are you ready? Let's do this together. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." No more monkeys jumping on the bed. So kids, our lesson today is about subtraction. Subtraction is when we take away or we take a certain amount or number from a given set and know how many is left. And we use this minus sign when we do subtraction. Here, I will show you an example. 5 stars minus 2 stars equals 3 stars. So if you can see, the number 5 is the minuend. Minuend is the first number in subtraction. And then the minus sign, and then the number 2. The number 2 is the subtrahend in subtraction. It is the number that needs to be subtracted. And after the equal sign, we call it the difference. The difference is the result of the subtraction problem. Example, I have here 5 umbrellas. From 5 umbrellas, let's take out 2 umbrellas. So, 5 minus 2 equals 1, 2, 3. 3 Next example, we have here 4 kids. The mother of the 2 kids called them to go home. So, there are how many kids left? From 4 kids, the 2 were called by their mothers. So, we have 2 kids left. So, 4 minus 2 equals 2. Correct. Okay, next example. I have 8 insects here, but the 4 other insects already went home. So, how many insects were left? 8 minus 4. Let's count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 insects were left. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Next example. Wow, many frogs. Let's count how many frogs are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But the 3 other frogs already went jumping. So how many frogs were left? 6 minus 3 is equals, let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 frogs were left. Next example. Kangaroo. Wow, many kangaroos. There are, let's count how many kangaroos are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 kangaroos. But let's take away the other 4 kangaroos because we need to feed their babies. How many kangaroos were left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kangaroos were left. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Next example. Tiger. Cute tigers. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tigers. 7 tigers. But the 4 other tigers were caught. So how many tigers are left? Let's count, okay? 1, 2, 3. 7 minus the 4 tigers that were caught is equals 3. 1, 2, 3. Next example. I have plenty of toys here. Let's count how many toys do I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 toys. But sadly, my 3 toys were broken. So, how many toys were left? Okay, let's count. 9 minus the 3 toys that were broken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 toys. Good. Okay. Next example. Candies. Candies are one of my favorites. So I have here, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 candies. But I gave out 4 candies. Let's count how many candies were left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's okay. I gave out those 4. I still have 7 candies. Next example. I know all of you likes lollipop. So here I have how many lollipops? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lollipops. But my sister ate 6 lollipops. So how many lollipops were left? So 8 minus 6 lollipops. How many are left? 1, 2. Very good. 2 lollipops. Last example. I have here 8 balloons. But kids, 6 of these balloons already popped. So 8 minus 6 balloons. How many balloons are left? Let's count. 1, 2. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Very good. Come, let's go to our game time. I will ask you to do some actions. But we need to subtract first the two numbers so that we can know how many times we need to repeat the actions. Is it clear? Let's start. Let's clap our hands. But let's subtract these numbers first. 7 minus 2 equals, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come, let's do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next action. Oh, let's jump. But before we jump, let's subtract 8 minus 5. So 8, let's take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? Correct! 3. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Let's jump 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Next action. Let's tap our head. But let's subtract these numbers first. 6 minus 2 equals, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's tap our head 4 times. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next action. Let's shake our hands. But let's subtract these numbers first. 10 minus 2. Let's count. Is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's shake our hands 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next action. Let's nod our head. But let's subtract these numbers first. 3 minus 1 equals 1, 2. Let's nod our heads 2 times. 1, 2. Very good. Next action. Let's shrug our shoulders. But let's subtract these numbers first. 4 minus 2. How many are left? 1, 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Let's shrug our shoulders 2 times. Go. 1, 2. Next action. This time, let's sway our hips like this. But let's subtract these numbers first. 7 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 equals, how many are left? 1, 2, 3. Okay, go. Let's sway our hips. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Next action. Let's stomp our feet. Let's subtract first. 9 minus 2. Let's count. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. Let's stomp our feet 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Last 2. Let's turn around. But let's subtract these numbers. 5. We take away 4. How many are left? 1. So let's turn around 1 time. Good job! And the last one! Let's wave our hands. But let's subtract these numbers first. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. Let's count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
to you, my friends. It's now the time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. It's now the time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. It's now the time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. I had a great time. I'll see you next time. Be safe and take care. Goodbye to you.